Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discuss regarding the openings on ServiceNow developer. So coming to the first job opening, role would be ServiceNow developer and location is Noida, Chennai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Mumbai they are offering, and job type would be work from office, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 3 to 5 years of experience. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to Namanpreet Kaur by following her. So coming to the next job opening, position would be ServiceNow lead, and it would be a remote mode, and this is a job summary. Like experience, minimum of 7 years of experience in ServiceNow development and administration, and technical skills. These are all the technical skills like proficiency in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and other web technologies. Strong understanding of ServiceNow modules, including ITSM and CSM. Experience with ServiceNow integrations using REST, SOAP, API calls, like knowledge of database concepts and SQL. So these are all the qualifications the candidate should have. These are all the preferred qualifications like experience with AEL Scrum methodologies and familiar with ITL process and best practices. Previous experience in technical lead role they are expecting from the candidate. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail ID, or else you can send your resumes to Himanshu Deshwal by following him. Coming to the next job opening is ServiceNow lead developer, and it would be a contract mode, and years of experience they are expecting 15 plus years of experience, and this is a job summary, and these are all the technical skills like proficiency in JavaScript, HTML, CSS and other web technologies, and these are all the certifications they need from the candidate, like ServiceNow certified system administration, ServiceNow certified application developer, and other relevant certifications they need from the candidate. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can feel free to drop a note to this particular mail ID, or else you can call to this number and you can send your resumes there. So coming to the next job opening is role would be ServiceNow developer, and it would be a permanent position, pan India location, and skills required ServiceNow developer, ITSM, integration scripting, and any modules HRSD, CSM, GRC, and work experience would be 5 to 12 years of experience. Location is pan India location, and drive would be on 6th, 7th. Okay, drive date would be on 6th and 7th February, and it would be a virtual round. So if you are interested for the job opening and if you have these skills, you can send your resumes to this shubha@vysystems.com, or else you can directly drop through WhatsApp also if you are interested for the job opening. So coming to the next job opening is on ServiceNow APM. Location is pan India location. Experience they are expecting from the candidate 6 years, and this is the job summary here. And these are all the key responsibilities like design, develop and configure ServiceNow APM solutions, and including business applications and application services and technology portfolio management, and implement and integrate APM with CMDB, ITSM, ITOM, SAM, like these are all the modules. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail ID, or else you can follow her. So coming to the next job opening is role would be ServiceNow developer, and it would be a contract mode, and location is remote, and these are all the qualifications like bachelor degree in computer science, information IT or related field. So they are expecting 5 plus years of experience in ServiceNow developer with strong focus on platform development and customization, extensive experience in with JavaScript, Glide and other ServiceNow development tools, proficiency in ServiceNow modules including APM, DSR, ITSM, ITOM, others, and hands-on experience with ServiceNow integrations using REST, SOAP and MIT services, strong understanding of ITIL principles and best practices, ServiceNow certified systems administration, and these are all the main skills they are expecting from the candidate. And if you are interested for the job opening and if you have these skills, you can send your resumes to this arun@tanishasystems.com. So you can send your resumes there if you are interested for the job opening. So coming to the next job opening is on ServiceNow developer, like skills required: ServiceNow developer, ITSM integration, scripting, and any modules. Like job location is pan India location. Experience they are expecting from the candidate, 4 to 12 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate. And if you have and notice period would be immediate joiner or 90 days they are offering here, and drive date would be 5th February, and it would be a virtual mode of round. And if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your CVs to subha@systems.com, or else you can send your resumes through her WhatsApp number also. So coming to the next job opening, main job opening is regarding ServiceNow developer and Scrum Master. So these are all the service like skills, like design, develop and customize ServiceNow applications, implement workflows, forms, integrations, reports and dashboards, collaborate with stakeholders and troubleshoot and document, proficiency in JavaScript, Angular, JS and relevant web technologies, deep understanding of ServiceNow, ITSM, ITOM, CSM modules, expertise in scripting, automation and best practices. ServiceNow certifications are preferred. So these are all the skills they are looking for. So candidates should have minimum 7+ years of experience in W2 employment, and competitive salaries and benefits they are offering here. If you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail ID, like krishnasai9137@gmail.com. You can send your resumes there. So let us go through the automation testing jobs now. So coming to the automation testing jobs, role would be automation test engineers, and minimum 2 to 6 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate, and experience with Selenium in a Java environment. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can submit your resumes through this link, or else you can follow Shweta regarding the job opening. So she can assist you regarding this job opening, particular job opening. So coming to the next job opening, like QA engineer, like experience they are expecting from the candidate is 3 years of experience, and notice period they are offering immediate joiner. Location is Noida location they are offering for, and the candidate should have minimum 2 to 5 years of experience in white box testing with automation, knowledge in designing and developing test plan, test cases, test scripts, and generating test reports, defect reports, and product quality assurance documentation, experience with black box test design techniques like smoke, functionality, regression and user acceptance testing, and also experience in white box testing design techniques like smoke, functionality, regression and user acceptance testing. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this particular person, or else you can send your resumes by following her, like Shamista. You can follow her and you can send your resumes there. Coming to the next job opening, QA automation engineer, and location will be Jersey City, NJ, on-site only local, and they are offering for, and so this is the job description here, like 9+ years of experience in software test automation area, should have 3+ years of experience through testing and validation of ETL process and workflows, experience in automation tools such as Selenium, WebDriver with Java or C++, and experience in test web services API using automation tools like JMeter, REST, Azure, etc. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail ID. So coming to the next job openings is regarding automation tester QA, like experience would be 4 to 8 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate, and notice period would be immediate joiner, and location is remote. Shift timings would be 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So this is the JD, like for 8 years of experience in QA and 4 years of minimum experience in automation. Develop and maintain automated test scripts using Prover for Salesforce CPQ applications. So continuously improve testing process, tools and techniques for enhanced efficiency. Ensure proper test data management and test environment setup for accurate testing. So these are all the main skills they are expecting from the candidate. So if you have these skills, and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID, or else you can follow her. You can follow Priya Vyas and you can send your resumes to that particular person. So that's all for today's topic. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.